To make a Bank of America car loan payment, start by gathering the necessary information, including your account number, payment amount, and payment method. You can find your account number on your loan documents or by logging into your online banking account. First, go to the Bank of America website and click on the Sign In button to access your online banking account. Enter your username and password to log in. Then navigate to the Account Overview page. From there, click on the Loans tab and select your car loan account. Once you are in your car loan account, click on the Make a Payment button. You will be prompted to enter the payment amount and select a payment method. You can choose to pay from a Bank of America checking or savings account, or from an account at another bank. If you choose to pay from a Bank of America account, the payment will be deducted immediately. If you choose to pay from an account at another bank, the payment will be processed as an electronic funds transfer and may take a few days to complete. Alternatively, you can make a payment by phone by calling the Bank of America customer service number. You will need to have your account number and payment information ready. You can also make a payment by mail by sending a check to the address listed on your loan documents. It is also possible to set up automatic payments, which can help you avoid late fees and ensure that your payments are made on time. To set up automatic payments, log into your online banking account and navigate to the Account Settings page. From there, click on the Payment Settings tab and follow the prompts to set up automatic payments. In addition to making payments, you can also use your online banking account to view your loan balance, payment history, and other account information. You can also use the Bank of America mobile app to make payments and access your account information on the go. By following these steps, you can easily make a Bank of America car loan payment and stay on top of your loan payments. It is always a good idea to review your account information regularly to ensure that your payments are being made correctly and that you are on track to pay off your loan.